In this video, I'll guide you through how to save jobs on Indeed so you can easily keep track of roles you're interested in and come back to them later. Whether you're casually browsing or actively applying, knowing how to save jobs properly will help you stay organized and avoid losing listings you liked. First, you'll want to start by finding a job listing you want to keep. Go to the Indeed website or open the Indeed app and use the search bar to look for roles that match what you're after. You can type in a job title, a skill, or even a keyword like remote or entry level, and then set your location or choose remote work if that's what you prefer. Once the results load, scroll through and take your time reading the job titles, company names, and brief descriptions. When something catches your eye, click into the listing so you can see the full details. Inside the job posting, read through the description carefully, look at the responsibilities, the requirements, and any information about salary, benefits, work location, or schedule. This is your chance to decide whether it's a role you genuinely want to remember. If you're not ready to apply right away, or you just want to compare it with other options, this is exactly when saving the job becomes useful. To save the job, look for the Save button next to the listing. Depending on the version of Indeed you're using, this might appear as a word like save, a bookmark icon, or a heart icon. On desktop, you'll often see it near the top of the job page or alongside the job title in the search results. On mobile or in the app, it may be near the bottom of the screen or just under the job title. When you click or tap that save button or icon, it will usually change color or appearance slightly, confirming that the job has been saved to your account. If you're scrolling through search results and don't want to open each job in a new window, you can also save directly from the results list. Just look for the same save, bookmark, or heart icon next to the job entry you like and click it there. This is a quick way to save multiple roles you want to review in more detail later. Once you've saved a job, it will appear in your saved jobs list. To get to this list, make sure you're signed in to your Indeed account. Then look for a section labeled Saved Jobs or something similar in your account menu or navigation bar. When you open it, you'll see all the job postings you've saved in one place. From here, you can click into each listing, compare details, and decide which ones you want to apply for. Your saved jobs list is also a good way to check if any postings have been updated or closed. If a job is no longer accepting applications, you'll typically see a note indicating that. You can remove jobs you're no longer interested in and keep the list focused on roles that are still relevant to you. That's all there is to it. Find a job you want to remember, click the save icon next to it, and then revisit it anytime from your saved jobs list. This simple habit can make your job search more organized and less stressful, helping you move from browsing to applying with confidence.